Hey, back up! Yo, back up!
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Wait, I didn't do nothing. I didn't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Back the up!
Bro, I understand.
Back up!
Wait, hold on. Officer Simmons, you don't have to do this, gang. I didn't do nothing. I'm having an argument with my girlfriend, bro. I didn't do nothing.
I know. I know. I'm a helper.
Oh my gosh! What the f? Is she dead? Yo!
Officer Simmons, can you listen to me?
I'm listening to you.
I'm listening to you, but look.
So turn around.
Wait, am I being detained?
Yes, you
For
are.
what?
Let me help her. Let me help her.
Wait. Let me talk to you. I know, wait, hold on.
Turn around on your stomach.
Okay, hold on. One second, bro. Let me talk to you. I'm not even hostile. I'm not hostile.
Turn around.
I understand. Can I talk to you? Please, don't
Put your arm around your back.
Please, it's right here.
Put your hand, other hand.
Wait, hold on.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I understand, bro. Can you please chill? Can you let her go, my girlfriend, please?
I'm trying to help her.
I'm not resisting. I'm trying to help my girlfriend.
Relax. Back up.
Simmons, you can rush me, bro, but let me help her, please, bro. Let me help her.
I'm helping her.
I'm begging you.
I'm helping her. Listen, he's in handcuffs for hitting her.
You can let me go. You can let me.
No.
I swear, bro. I can't breathe, bro. Please. I'm not resisting, bro. You can let me go. You can let me go. I'm not resisting, bro. Please.
Suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, assault on law enforcement officers, resisting without violence, and failure to obey a law enforcement officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.